What's good, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys are all well. Interesting day today. We just need $7. Seven. You just need to make $7 and then we clean. Okay, so I already did do the review of the past week. So nothing really to be said there. And we're about to have market open in like 5 minutes. In the 15 minute, we are reacting of this and these and dogs. So you guys see that in the midpoint price coming, respecting the lower half, and then we're having that drop. So let's see the room market open. Do we continue to sell off or not? But we just need like $7, so we're not gonna rush it. We'll just see. I'm gonna remove these end dogs because it's been 5 days, and also just have a clear inner chart. But you can see how price was using it, respecting that midpoint drop. But it's been there for 5 days, so we're just gonna remove that. And then we're gonna keep it clean and simple. We do have a big end dog just below that, so price might wanna come for that 50% of it, and we have the opening range gap, so which is relatively quite big. So sales make sense for the day. So we'll just wait and see what happens. Yeah, could to got this London low. We'll just wait for market open and we'll adjust that. Uh, There you go. We have this daily wick midpoint, which is this right there. And did you see how price came back into this when I was like, I want to see what price come back into this. We're in that direction where it went in. So let's see, will it want to continue going lower since we're having a reaction of it tapping into that. So yeah, boys, let's wait and see. And wait for market open. Sorry, kind of forgot I was recording for a second. Whoa. So let's see, can we get a quick sell? $7, get open done with, and price is selling still. Wow, great job. Mm, this low. Bro, and I was looking at this low, eh? Because this was gonna be like my short primary sell side. Because it's like right here. I was literally looking at it. But we've taken out this low. Right. This one. See that? This one. We do have these lows. Delete for now. So yeah, we have a minute left until the first for value gap, until we can get the first for value gap. Wow, that's still a couple of minutes. And then we're using that opening range gap to go lower. Almost there. There we go. The market open. The opening range gap, and then the midpoint is like um what is it? In revenue news today. I don't know if I mentioned that, but we don't. I think price is heavy and selling today. And I'm looking at this area. I do see the prices going down coming into this. Basically, they we have these lows. You know, the daily week midpoint. See that? Waiting on, let's see, can we get that first value gap? Right now, price is currently here. Let's see what it be. We want to reach this midpoint, the winning range gap midpoint there, if it wants to go any lower. But if you see resistance in this area, then we know it's probably just gonna go higher. There we go. Just respecting that opening range gap high, which is the opening price. So want to see price go below this daily wick. There we go. And we can probably use this to sell. Let's see what price uses wick if this candlestick closes below it. And I'm gonna use it as well. I'm not gonna overthink it. We just need $7. With the end dog. And we go when you get high. Oh, let's see what this be our first for value gap. I think it can. Um, okay, let's see what price come back into this. That's the idea. Um, this one. Let's see. Can we use this too short? $7. That's all we need. Wait, let me look at it properly. Today's the 27th. I want to see if there's parts gonna want to close above this, because then that's a different story there. 21st, 20, 27. So I was thinking, oops, took out these lows. That's a charge. Looking at this displacement right there, right here. Mhm. Oh, what a stretch. Oh, whatever. I'm gonna go for shorts. All my days. Went for shorts. You need $7. Just to show you that I did actually do it. There you go. And we did it. We are done with our account. Okay, we done. We done. We took a nice short there. Doesn't really count as a trade, but because it's so short. But hey, a win is a win. A win is a win. So that's it. Took for shorts. We done with the account. As you guys can see, I can't even take any trades anymore. So we're done with that. I do see price coming still lower. This opening range gap midpoint is suspect, right? Because it failed to go any higher. We had a reaction there. It failed to go higher. So yeah, beautiful day, clean day, if you ask me. So I'm looking at this opening range gap. I do see price coming into that, coming lower. So yeah. And now we could start the new account. If I can log into this account time, any pullback we have, I'm gonna use it as a re-entry. Oh no. Oh, Damn, we reached opening range gap midpoint. Let's see what we get. New week opening gap. Consequent encouragement. Okay, I logged into the new account. But I'm not gonna do anything. Just leave it. Wait, when was the 24th? Mm. Oh, was the Friday. Okay. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Mm. I could literally sell this to make $7, bro. I promise you. To this. But thing is, it's not on the. It's not logged into my laptop, it's logged into my phone. So you'll only be, if I do end up doing it, you'll only be able to see it once I've logged in, like the history type of thing. So should I? Wait. Mm, mm. Having a reaction of that new week opening gap midpoint right there. Yo, yo. I stay until 10, so 10 more minutes, and then I'm gonna hop off. Because this could still be the Judas swing price coming into this, and then go higher because it already. I still do think it could potentially come back down here to a new week opening gap midpoint, but right now supporting that opening range gap midpoint. So, but once it's done with its business down there, and then this being the Judas swing, it will come back up, go above it, and then, oh, sorry, maybe come for these, come for these right here. So price coming over above this. Mm. Come on, Nasdaq. Let's see. She now is becoming like a little bit of jagged. Uh, that's good. Yeah, yeah. Let's see what this is an inverse. We are below the store. But let's just see how it reacts when it gets there. Mm. Mm. Yo. Hold on, let me mute real quick. Okay, I'm back, chat. Let's see what happens. I think it might just sell. You see how price is respecting this, and it closed below, so it might just touch and then go lower, and like that. You see it go lower now. There you go. Came back into right into this 5 minute, and then now we're having a reaction of that. Sweeping out this low and then coming here. I'm looking at this new week opening gap midpoint. That's what I'm looking at. So from here to here. Far-fetched, is it? There we go. Okay, there it is. It might just close the entire gap. Wait, we had a nice reaction of this during the macro price respecting this. You see, it left and went back and then we had a drop. Yeah. Yo, what's my phone dying, bro? Okay. We're having a crazy drop right now. Looks like we might just have a full gap closure. That's nice. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, we're gonna hop off now. Clean day. Got a W, a mini W here when we shorted this to take this out. Just to get that to get done with the account today. We don't trade Mondays. So I'm not gonna really put it as a trading day. Um Remember we saw direction the price wanted to go. It's just clean, 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 clean. Happy with it. And yeah, I have a full gap closure. I might have to delete a few things for what do you call this? For the thumbnail, just to make it look cleaner. Just to have it. I think I'm gonna just do this. I'm gonna delete this one. Do this. Yeah, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna leave it like this. Because I'm gonna be my thumbnail. And put everything back. Anyway, guys, that's it from me for today. I'm gonna clean play. And let's see what the rest of the week has for us. We have news tomorrow, so hopefully I can capitalize off that. Ooh, hopefully we can capitalize off that. Let me show you guys. 10 a.m. So hopefully that news can help when we enter trades before then, of course. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Take care. And yeah, cheers. Maybe I should just stick to scalping. Maybe I should become a scalper. Jokes.